Hey everyone, Chris Urso here of Urso Capital. How are you? Sorry, I'm a little sweaty right now. I'm going to take you guys through for a spin through of our newest deal, the Fields at North Valdosta. We just finished up day one of diligence. Very humid down here in Southwest Georgia. Great little property here. This is a semi-distressed deal, so I'm going to kind of spin this around for you so you can get the effect. This is the property on your right-hand side. I'll give you the rundown as I'm talking, but let me just drive you through the property first so you see it goes right over here. Fields North Valdosta. There's Holly May, one of our all-stars. She was down here helping us out on diligence. She runs our properties. One of our big deals down in Savannah. So you have the pool here and your leasing office right when you come in. So all the buildings are pretty much the same. If you can see some of those weeds growing over there, the playground. You got great bones here. We definitely really love the deal and think with our management style, we can get this place cleaned up. It's just really undercapitalized right now, as you can see. You know, it needs to be brought back to life. Essentially, the deal's about 75% occupied. Sorry, let me put my seatbelt on for you. Deal is 75% occupied. It's one of 12 properties being sold. There's our regional maintenance crew right there. We got 2 from Atlanta, 1 from Charleston. So you see, like, this just gives you a really good idea of how they're running this place right now. If you can see those weeds back there and the dumpsters. But great bones. The units are in really good shape. You know, we think with some good TLC, a little bit of lipstick, this place can really shine well. Just give you an idea. I mean, you can tell by the grounds. But we're extremely happy with the product that we saw. I have a bunch of pictures that I'm going to put out on the interiors. But really happy with the product. There's 131 units, great floor plans. So you see there's some basketball court there. We're going to repurpose and make that community space. Really great potential on this particular site, and we don't think it's going to be a really heavy lift. They have a great resident base that's here. To put things in perspective, you know, the manager, they're running the place with really one manager and one maintenance person. They're not funded. I heard the landscaper came in today when we were here and was here for about 45 minutes and did, you know, 3/4 of the property, and he was apologizing because his boss told him that he can't spend more than 45 minutes here because they're not getting paid. You know, and that's the MO with the flooring companies, with the vendors, the group that they had renovating. This particular seller had, they bought nearly 25 deals over the last few years and started doing multi-million-dollar renovations across every property at the same time and self-managing. So I think they got in a little bit over their head. Their capital partners have kind of put the recommendation, very strong recommendation, to sell all of their assets while they can to get out whole. They stopped funding each property. So they're definitely in a quasi-distressed state. And 131 units, the location really is great. I'm going to try to drive you out of here to the main road, so stick with me. I mean, you're 5 minutes away from everything. But this is a property that, with the floor plans that are here, should be filled. You're a mile from, you know, a huge hospital. You got tons of retail, tons of employers right down the street here. You know, it's super clean area, true B property that's just being really undermanaged, and really to no fault of the on-site staff. Just really ownership not properly funding the property. And I'm going to take you guys through up here. As soon as we make a right, kind of swing right out into all of our retail. But again, we have about 75 to 80% occupancy, and that's going to bounce around between now and closing. You know, the play here is to get the vacant units renovated to our standards and begin stabilizing the property. Just bring the occupancy up to the market levels, which is, you know, mid-90s. So you have a mix of education, you have military, you have medical, all in you know, literally a 3-mile radius. So when you make this left up here, you're pretty much at, you know, any type of retail between left and right here that you can want. You got a Starbucks up at the corner. You got some shopping all down here. Harris Teeter's over there. You got a Publix very close by. So you really have everything you need. This is purely management, marketing, branding of the property to get it spruced up. So we're excited to get this one under our belt, get our hands on it. We're gonna reskin the outside, get the curb appeal going, new pool furniture, clean up the office, make a little fitness center, do everything that we normally do on these properties that are not really maximizing their potential. And we should be able to get the rents from where they are today, which is only about $760. Our target's about $900 on average. And based on the comps in the area, we should still be able to draft behind the Class A product pretty significantly and have a great product that's gonna have a nice pool area, barbecue area, a little fitness room, a resident lounge, dog park, have all the amenities with much bigger floor plans than some of the newer deals that are around in the particular sub-market. Not a ton of new supply here either, which is great in this particular area. You got great home prices. So I look forward to keeping you guys posted. I'm gonna send you guys out. You'll see some pictures of the interiors, and stay tuned. Look forward to getting this one closed up and repositioned.